I tried to make my Christmas list, but I really don't want to see it anymore. Game. Before I knew it, I've spent 5 Christmases in London. London is still that London, with wintertime bringing darkness at 4 in the afternoon. The days feel like they're on fast forward. This time, I decided to take some weekend time to explore the filmic winter of the UK. My companion is NIO EC7. Is your heart an empty? From the bustling streets of London to the rural wilderness of Oxfordshire. Only about 100 miles apart, yet 2 completely different worlds. As long as the heart desires, you can reach it. Of course, while you are steadily heading toward your destination, don't forget to occasionally stop and really enjoy the road ahead. Whether it's exploring familiar landmarks or discovering random, nameless spots, the entire journey to the destination remains just as precious and important to me as arriving there. The emotional value I gain can come not only from the scenery along the way. It can also be endowed through other forms. Turn on the front seat massage. Okay. Sometimes, traveling itself can be an enjoyment. 7 years later, I came to Oxford once again and finally arranged to meet friends I hadn't seen in a long time. We scheduled to go to nearby villages together and briefly detach from the urban hustle. The meaning of winter doesn't seem to have taken away the vitality here. It feels like we've walked into a patch of liquefied insects. Just want to freely enjoy this rare piece.